The Honor Magic 5 smartphone was released on January 10, 2022. Let's get into the details of the specification. A 7.90-inch primary display with a resolution of 2272 by 1984 pixels is included with the phone. It also has a 6.45-inch secondary display with a resolution of 1080 by 2560 pixels. The Honor Magic 5 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 octa-core chipset. It has 12 GB of RAM capacity. The Honor Magic 5 is powered by a 4750 mAh non-removable battery and runs Android 12. The Honor Magic 5 has a 66-watt unique quick charging system. The Honor Magic 5 has a triple camera arrangement on the back, a 50-megapixel primary camera with an f1.9 aperture, a 50-megapixel camera with an f2.0 aperture, and a 50-megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 42-megapixel sensor with an f2.4 aperture. The Honor Magic 5 comes with 256 GB of internal storage and runs Honor Magic UI 6.0, which is based on Android 12. Honor Magic 5 is a dual SIM smartphone. It came in 3 colors: black, burnt orange, and space silver. This smartphone also include these features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, infrared, USB Type-C, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Face unlock is available on the Honor Magic 5. The smartphone has an aluminum frame with a glass front, glass back, or eco leather back. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new videos. Thanks for watching.